In this video, we will show you what is the process to transfer a domain name from one registrar to another. If you want to transfer your domain name from one registrar, say GoDaddy, to another registrar, say RedServerHost, then in that case the process is pretty simple. Simply log into your GoDaddy domain control panel and then click over My Account. Now from here, you will find Domain section. Click over Domains. Now this is the page where you will find the list of all domains that you own. Simply click over the three dots in front of your domain name and then click over Domain Settings. Now from here, you need to understand that you need to disable certain things. First of all, you need to disable privacy protection if you have enabled. This is the place from where you can disable privacy protection. Now, in order to disable domain lock, first of all, let us know that whether my domain is locked or not. So for that, go to whois.domaintools.com and then enter your domain name over here. Now from this page, you will be able to know whether your domain is locked or not. Here we can see that the registrar status is client delete prohibited, client renew prohibited, and client transfer prohibited. This signifies that our domain is locked. Now we need to unlock our domain. Therefore, come towards the bottom of the page and then from here you can unlock your domain. Simply click over Edit and switch off this button. In this way, your domain will be unlocked successfully. This might show pending update. This means you need to check your email for confirmation. Now click over Transfer Domain away from GoDaddy. Now from this page, you will be able to see the checklist. This signifies that your EPP code, that is transfer code, will be sent to you on your mail ID. Simply click over Continue with Transfer. Now in this page, you will be able to find your authorization code. Authorization code means EPP code. Simply click over here and then copy to clipboard in order to copy the EPP code. Your transfer code is also sent to you on your registered email ID. You can copy it from here and then go back towards your destination domain provider, that is redserverhost.com. Now you need to transfer your domain name towards this domain provider. So simply click over Transfer Domain to Us, which is given under Domain section. Now from this page, you can easily transfer domain name within few clicks. Paste your domain name over here in the search box and then click over Search. Now from this page, you can enter your EPP code here, which you copied earlier. So simply paste your EPP code over here and then enter the CAPTCHA code. Finally click over Add to Cart. Now in this way, you will be asked for several other things like DNS management, ID protection, email forwarding. These three things are free of cost. You can tick it if you want to enjoy DNS services. Now from here, click over Continue. Don't forget to enter the correct name server if you have your custom name server. Finally, click over Checkout and then make the payment. Once you make the payment, the domain transfer might take 3 to 7 days in order to transfer completely. Now, if you don't want to wait for 3 to 7 days for the transfer to complete, you can fasten the process by simply going inside GoDaddy control panel and then click over Visit My Account from the top right corner. Now from here, click over Manage All at the top right corner. In this way, you will be able to see the list of all your domains where you will find a yellow colored warning that is pending transfer out. Transfer is in progress. You can simply click over the top left corner, that is Domains, and then Transfers. Now from here, you can simply click over Transfer Out. Now select the domain name that you would like to approve the transfer and then click over Accept Transfer. In this way, your transfer out successful notification will be displayed over top right corner and your domain will be transferred within 10 to 15 minutes. You don't need to wait for 3 to 7 days now. Please subscribe to our channel if you have still not subscribed. If you want to buy cost-efficient domain names and hosting services at reasonable cost, then redserverhost.com is the best solution for you. Grab now.